Hey y'all, welcome to Dukunoo. Have you been here before?
No. Never.
Where y'all from?
Murder Beach, South Carolina.
All right, South Carolina in the house. How is the food?
The jerk chicken is really good. It's got a smoked flavor to it. Whatever this is, this little thing right here, this is really good too.
It's a festival, honey. It's my favorite. And what about you? How was your salad?
It was really good. I got a Caesar salad. I got like little garlic parmesans in it. I really like the lettuce and the dressing that's on it. It's really good.
All right, girl, and you got the oxtail.
Oxtails is slamming, so y'all better get it. Oxtails is good.
All right, so I see you're enjoying the jerk chicken. Tell us, how is the jerk?
A very nice balance of salty and smoked, and then with this little festival with that sweetness is just the right balance.
And I'm not going to leave y'all out. I'm going to come over there.
I had the Caesar salad with the jerk chicken. Delicious. You can tell the croutons are homemade and fantastic.
Ooh, yes, the oxtail.
Yes, I got the oxtails. It's a wonderful blend of ingredients, and everything came together perfect.
I love that. Well, listen, remember at Dukunoo, you come for the food and you stay for the what? The vibes.